I can't reason with them man about certain things.
Over as we are saying, that's how we grow, brother. Some made it state.
But that not right. It's like man I have the opportunity to express myself.
It's not right. But I saw it stay in our society. And we normalize it.
It's like me can't function from she gone. Worse, me can't hear from her.
So she not link you for she left?
Link? Not even would tell me say she land.
That not sound right, aya.
She tell me that she needs some time because some things are going on in her life with her family. And then she reach and she not even link me. But she have school. Yeah man, she have school. School.
School.
Yeah.
So I really go on with fear family, so bro.
Good. You know so me can't really talk about that because she tell me say me no fi discuss that with nobody.
You over so you say still in a career. But sometimes you have to pray the family where you get yourself involved with bad man. Sometimes some wicked bad energy I roll around them, brother.
But still, she different from them still.
Yeah. But she is still part of the family. The energy they round her same way, brother. Sometimes you have to over the levels of the thing we are doing, brother. You see all the politician boy there? Him have a brother. We have one contractor. Yo, me not like the boy not even a little bit, brother. The man evil in a youth.
Boy Shappy, me done in love with her now. And I can't change that now.
Nah, so you have to change it, brother. But just I say, you have to watch the energy when they're around you.
Once I set myself a certain way, I will link again. I just take her out of the whole of them bad energy there.
Love is a lovely thing in a young Jenna. If a she go for her.
Yeah man, I'm a baby dad.
Baby! The baby!
Bubbles, Tony have training this morning?
Yeah, man, but that's early this morning. She's supposed to finish already.
Oh, because she didn't reach the shop yet.
May I call her?
We are call her on the phone and go straight to voicemail.
Strange. Alright, me still gonna try get her.
Alright, cool.
Hello, miss.
Yeah?
You tell him yet?
Yeah, I tell him.
And?
Him turn fool.
I can just imagine. That is my nephew.
Him supposed to come pick me up when Tony and reach at the shop.
Alright, Mr. and Mrs. Shappy.
You know you're gonna stop that something there, you know. Sure.
Alright, later.